Hello YouTube, my name's Malloy, and today we are reviewing the Cooler Master Rapid Fire Mechanical Keyboard 10-less key white LED brown switch. I love this keyboard. It's one of the best things I had in my hand in a long time. It's sturdy, it's small, I can put it on my middle desk. So let's go and talk about the features. Well, one, it's mechanical. I love mechanical keyboards. The noise, it's just so good. Now, brown switches are kind of louder than membrane, but they're better than blue. Blue is a clicky nightmare. I live stream. I don't need click. No. Brown's a little bit. It's like musician call. I'll play the noise now. It's just so nice. It is a 10 keyless keyboard, which means it does not have the numpad. Now, some people would like the numpad, some people wouldn't like the numpad. It is kind of weird not having the numpad just because you're used to keys and it being a little bit larger, but you get used to it and you save space and save some cheddar by not getting the numpad. And be honest, how many people use the numpad? Raise your hands. And if you do use the numpad, be honest, how many of you would like a MMO mouse? I'm in that boat. Alright, it does have media controls on this keyboard, which is nice. The only thing is, it doesn't have a button to open up Windows Media Player. But you know what? That's okay. It does have a numbers lock, which is great in games. So let's go talk about the LED lighting. This is white. It's not green, red, white. Alright, it does have 5 lighting modes. It does have different modes, which I'll show you here. It has one mode where on. Yay. It has another mode where it is, you hit it, the light goes away. There's another mode where you hit it, the light kind of stays there. There's another mode where WAS and up down is lit. Alright, then there's like a breathing effect. In, out, in, out. And then it has 4 modes on it, which you can program, which I have not really used, because the only game I could ever think about doing this with is Arc, just because there is so many damn buttons in Arc. That's why I have an MMO mouse. For other times, I just want all light. And for you guys to be like, oh, I screwed it up, don't worry, I figured a fix. You hit function, and then mode. Mode's F4. That's great. And to get your recording mode, you hit function, pause record, and then you want F9 through F12, hit it, and then press the buttons, and then hit again, and that's how you record it. I love this keyboard. It has 5 levels of brightness. They are bright. I like 1 brightness or 2 brightness, but they're good. Now, if you're on Amazon, which I bought this on Amazon, I had no problems with the LEDs. This is why the review took a good bit of time. I wanted to know. But if you don't trust Cooler Master, which they're a great company, I have the Hyper 212 Evo, which rocks. You can buy the extended warranty. It comes with a keycap puller. I know, right? We get mechanical keyboards for 50 million presses, key clicks, and to switch the keys out. Keycap puller's nice. It's very easy. Just be careful. Don't break the switch. Now I'm not going to comment what switch is better: red, blue, brown, green. They are cherry mechanical. I'm not doing that because it's all preference. If you want to know why I picked brown, it's simple. They don't make a lot of noise. They click. And they're quieter than blues and reds. And I love mechanical keyboard. I will stay with mechanical keyboards 100% of the time. This thing's built solid. I'm not going to say you could just hit gophers, but I feel like it could hit 2 gophers and it'll be okay. And it remembers your profile. I love the noise it makes. So this has been Malloy for review by me. So, you thought we were done? Nope. Let's keep on going. The thing I love about the keyboard is it comes with a braided cable, right angle, and it has a removable USB. What? Yeah. I know, in case the cable breaks, but a new cable, you wouldn't move it. take cable out. You want to actually go somewhere, not stay in your room. You can put in your backpack. Nice. Only thing, one of the biggest things I hate about the keyboard is the Cooler Master logo is not LED. I mean, I think they did it for money, but come on, Cooler Master. Like, I don't think you're gonna look at the back of the keyboard, but come on. If you like your keyboard sitting higher, which I do, there are rubber feet on the things you pull out, and there is 2 rubber stops. So that's 4 rubber. Thing does not move when it's up. It's great. It's like your stubborn girlfriend. Jeez. I love the keyboard. It has lights. Only thing is, about this keyboard, I wish it did have a media key to open up the Windows media. That's my only real gripe other than the logo not lighting up. I have no other gripe with it. It has a Windows lock key, the caps lock. When it's on, it has white keys. I got nothing really bad to say about this. This is money well spent, and I got no buyer's remorse. Now, I know it's a keyboard, but I love it, and this thing's going to last 5 years. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And Cooler Master, keep making good crap. I'll support you. I'll buy another fan from you.